Are you looking for a highly equipped compact SUV with superior functionality and reliability? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2018 Jeep Cherokee Latitude in Rhino Clear Coat. With BI-XENON high-intensity discharge headlamps, power heated mirrors, 17-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, bright side roof rails, bright exhaust tips, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 8.4-inch touchscreen display, park view rear backup camera, SiriusXM satellite radio, USB charging port in console, all-season floor mats, 12-volt cargo power outlet, 3.2-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 3219A.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles. The smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.